Hello friends, I'm Yusuf from 5 Minutes Information Channel and this is episode number 61. In this episode, I will talk about the quantitative research variables and its type. Viewer guidance notes of this video lecture available on the link of this video description. In this video, I will talk about the two important points about the variable. Number one, what is variable? And number two, what are the different types of variables? Point number one, what is variable? A variable represents a measurable attributes that change or varies across the experiment, whether comparing the result between the multiple groups, multiple peoples, or even using a single person in an experiment or conduct over the time. Point number two, what are the different types of variable? There are 6 common types of variable which is frequently used in research. Number 1, independent variable. Number 2, dependent variable. Number 3, control variable. Number 4, moderating variable. Number 5, intervening variable. Number 6, extraneous variable. Number 1, independent variable. Independent variable is the antecedent while the dependent variable is the consequent. If the independent variable is an active variable, then they manipulate the values of the variable to study its effect on another variables. Independent variables might have a positive or negative effects on the dependent variable. For example, organizational structure has effect on the customer satisfaction. In this example, organizational structure is an independent variable and customer satisfaction are the dependent variable. In another example, social class have an effect on the knowledge improvement. In this example, social class is an independent variable and knowledge improvement is considered as a dependent variable respectively. Point number 2, dependent variable. Dependent variable is a variable in which researcher is interested and contrary to the independent variable. The variable is not in the control of the researcher and she is not able to manipulate it. In its definition, it could be stated that it is a variable which is affected by the independent variable. It is a change based on the independent variable's changes, and the researcher goal is predicting and describing it is a changeability. Example of the investigating the effects of women employment on the family life satisfaction. In this example, women's employment is an independent variable and family life satisfaction is the dependent variable. Here I conclude the episode number 61. I hope you learned about the basic definition of variable and its different types like independent and dependent variable. In next episode, I will talk about the remaining types of variable like control variable, moderating variable, intervening variable, and extraneous variable. So stay tuned with the 5 Minutes Information Channel and don't forget like, comment, and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching till the end.